Hello, this is Julie with the Creative Camper Soaps. Today we're going to be making another soap just in time for spring, another rose soap with some different colors. This soap will be fragranced with rose and mandarin cranberry, so it'll be a little bit sweeter rose than the other rose that I made last month. We're adding the lye water and we're going to get this all blended up and emulsified so all the oils and the lye are well incorporated together. I'm going to divide the batter into 3 as equal as I can portions. We're going to do 3 different colors. I'm using pink and purple today, as well as white. Many floral fragrances cause the batter to accelerate and get thicker rather quick, and they're sometimes hard to work with. I haven't found that with the rose fragrance. It seems to accelerate a little bit, but it gives me plenty of time to work with it, and by the time I'm ready to pour it, it's at the perfect consistency. You can see that this one that I am working with now is already starting to thicken up. Okay, these are at a light trace. A trace is when you can see what I'm doing here at the top. You can see that the batter is going on the top there, and it's holding its shape a little bit. So it's a light trace, and it is ready to be put into the white, and then we're going to do it all in this pot. It's going to be a one pot wonder. Now if I'd poured these and it wasn't at such a light trace yet, like if it still wasn't holding any shape, then the colors, when I pour it in the mold, would become a lot more mixed and more muddled together. I'm going to scrape all of the rest of this mostly white batter onto the top and get all that I can out of my bucket. I saved a little bit of the pink and the purple so that I could do a fun swirl on the top. Don't even know why, because most of the top is going to be covered with roses and some leaves, but it's fun to do. See how fun that is? Okay, now to get all these pre-made roses on the top, I realized that I just really clustered up the roses on this end, so I need to spread them out a little bit, make sure I have enough for the whole loaf of soap. Okay, have a good day. Did you get your, don't forget your thing.
Oh, yeah.
Get it filled out, get it taken care of, you'll be better off for it.
I know.
Okay. Bye. I'm gonna get all these leaves put on as well. I pre-made these leaves with the last rose soap that I made, and I had a bunch of batter left, so I went ahead and pre-made them. Makes things a little easier for the next time I need to use it. So I'll try to do my best to cut this without cutting too many roses, but it's kind of inevitable that some of them are going to get cut on a soap like this.